Well, guys. Well, I downloaded Tier Maker so I can make a tier video. I'm gonna rank if birds are scared of you. Whoa. Start off with the frigate bird. I'll put it at normal. I have attacks human, pecks only, normal, scared of you. I'll put it at normal. Next we got a duck. Ducks. Okay, some ducks peck you, so I'll put it on pecks only. Gooses, the same. Okay, ostrich. Okay, it probably attacks the human, but I think they're a little bit more friendlier. I don't know. But I'll put it at attacks human. Okay, swan, pecks only. Yeah, okay, chicken. Okay, sometimes chicken are like scared of you, but not like all the times. I'll put it at normal. Cockapoo. I've not experienced a cockapoo like right next to me. I have not went to New Zealand. Well, I don't know now. What should I put at this? I'll put it at normal because I've not experienced a cockapoo. Okay, a hummingbird. Okay, surely it's like the smallest bird on earth. I'll put it at scared of you. I don't know really. A jay? I'll put it A peacock. Well, peacocks? I don't know now. I'm gonna put it on normal. Or rare. Or res? I'll put it on normal. Not gonna lie, I don't know. A cardinal. I'll put it at oh no, wrong tier. Wrong tier. There we go. A crane. I'll put it on normal again. I don't know. An albatross. Normal. What's these birds are gonna be normal like? I don't know anything about them. Yeah, you too. A rooster. Okay, normal. You know what? I'm gonna move the to but the rooster will stay at normal. A goldfinch? Yeah, scared of you. A pheasant? I'll put it on normal. A parrot. Okay. I think they're normal. A penguin? I'll put it on Like I heard if you touch them, they lose some fur thingy. I'll put it on kiwi. Normal. A robin. I'll put it on a woodpecker. And normal. A hornbill. Normal. Normal is rhino. Okay, and toucan. Normal. A sparrow. Okay, it's scared of you. Like a finch. A quail. Okay, now I don't know anything about quails, so I'm just putting on normal. A pigeon. Yeah, they're totally scared of you. A Nemo. Oh. I don't know. Yeah, you go at the top. A flamingo. I don't know. I'm putting normal. Or a crossbill. I'm gonna put it as scared of you. An eagle. I'm gonna say it only pecks you. And a kingfisher. A kookaburra. A cassowary. Okay, this guy needs to go at the top. I was waiting less at attacks human, but then I remembered capercaillie. There, a caracara. By their expression, they don't look like hunter birds, but I think they are. Just put it on normal. A curlew. Yeah, put it in. Okay, the final bird, the final bird, the guinea fowl. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna explain all of the personalities. Start with the attack human. Okay, yeah. Saying this because they're like the largest birds on Earth, and like I can't imagine something that will put it in pecks only. The emo. Okay. I've searched up on Google, and Jiminy said, they can do some powers, such as kicking and pecking. I don't know if I should put it on pecks only, but no. Okay, the casper. Okay, it's given a world record for being the most dangerous bird. What are you waiting from that? What are you waiting for that? Okay, now on to the picks only. The duck. Now the duck. Sometimes ducks will automatically do that, but I've never experienced a duck, so I don't know what it's saying. Probably seen a duck, but never bit me or something. So whatever. Gooses. Okay, these guys scream a lot, and also they're greedy of croissants. I've heard it. No, I've seen gooses, but not at a park or something. Only on the road in teams and randomly charging at the car. But overall, I think it's perfect. The swan. Okay. Stuff like black swans do that. So, yeah, I think that's correct. A stellar eagle. What do you mean? What do you mean? It's a whole eagle. Okay, I don't know, but they don't peck you. Only eat rabbits and stuff. Okay, pecks only is only stuff and catch other animals. So the eagles are okay. Normal. Okay, what we got? Okay, we got the frigate bird, the first one. Okay, not gonna lie, I don't know what these guys do. They just look like ordinary birds that have a red weird thingy. A kakapo. Now we don't really know much about kakapo. Only their speed and their color and where they live. That's the only thing. I don't know their personality, their ancestors and stuff, and a peacock. I just think it, but peacocks attack turkeys sometimes. Yeah, I've seen videos, but overall they're just normal peacocks. Normal birds. Oh, just they have a giant tail. All the males do. A rooster. Okay, I put a rooster in normal because they're the boy chicken. And girls are a little bit more scared. So that's why. Alright. I don't know if they attack much, so I just put it in normal. A crane. Okay. I don't know anything about cranes. Their speed. Okay, I think I know some things. Like their speed. And their size. But come on, man. I don't even know their ancestors and stuff. An albatross. Okay, these guys are giant. But I will not put them on pecks only. I don't think it. Secretary bird. Okay, the secretary bird. He just, I don't know what to say about him. He just looks like an ordinary stork-like bird. Pheasant. Okay, not gonna lie, I don't know if pheasant peck you or something, but overall I think normal. Okay, a parrot. Parrots are literally like a pet. I put a normal. I don't know about. I know I have no pictures of parakeets, but I'm too lazy to go on Google and go get some budgie pictures and some parakeet pictures and some lorikeet pictures. I'm too bored now. Whatever. Next up is a kiwi. Kiwis not go. I don't know why they're named kiwis. I don't know, but I've heard they're nocturnal. But I don't know anything about that. A woodpecker. What else were you waiting for? These guys just randomly do the thing they do. Hornbills. Normal, toucan. Normal, quails. I was rather going to put them at, but then I realized, they're not that much small. Flamingo. I don't know what to say about this duck. A capercaillie. Now, even though they're a big animals I've seen on Ornito, I'm just let it flow. A carrot. Okay, they might seem like hunter birds, but they are. Okay. Okay, go on to the Et, the J. Now, I only put it because it's small. I don't know if it's put on normal, but I just put it there because I think it is. A cardinal. I think it is on, it goes with it, I don't know, a chicken. Okay, I put the chicken here because they're a little bit more scared of you than the rooster. So guys, if the screen is becoming dark for a second and then becoming light again, sorry. Well, and the chicken, it's just a penguin. Okay, I've heard like of penguins, if you touch them, they lose like some of fur thingy, but I don't know if it's real because they don't look like it. How can you touch a thing and then lose something? How is that even possible? Whatever. And robin, I don't know, they were just small and cute, and I think we would be scared of you. A finch. Okay, I just put it because of their size. And kingfisher. Okay, yeah, I know they hunt fish. That's awesome. But, like, I don't know if you're scared of a kookaburra. Okay, these guys are, like, demonic birds on the other hand of their sound. But on the other hand, they also look sometimes cute. Or the curlew. Okay, I don't know what this thing does. I don't know the size, the speed, the ancestors. I don't know even nothing about them. A guinea fowl. Okay, these guys are like turkeys, but like a version 2 of them. I don't know, they might be a little bit scared of you. Okay, and now scared of you. I've only put 5 birds in here because, okay, starting with the hummingbird. Okay, they're like the smallest birds on earth. They should be scared of you. Like, the bee hummingbird is only like 6 centimeters. That's very small. Okay, a goldfinch. They're like the second smallest animals on earth. Like birds, I meant, not animals. No, they're not ants and fleas. Like, of their size, I can recommend sparrow. Okay, I've seen sparrows and they're very jumpy, and once they see a pigeon, they just bye-bye. They're even scared of an animal. How is that even possible? Like a pigeon. Okay, when you're trying to feed them, they're scared of their own food. Like, you throw a small piece of bread, they say, oh heck no, is that an earthworm hitting me at 90 miles per hour? A crossbow. Okay, I only matter this because of its size. Like, I don't know if it's even scared of you. You know what? I'll put it, no. Okay, that's guys for the tier list. I'll probably make more videos of tier lists. So today's video is aggressivity of birds. And that's the video, guys. Bye-bye.